approve it on second reading. And then, therefore, pagka na-approve namin on second reading later, third reading would probably be on Tuesday, December 9. Pwede na schedule ang bicameral thereafter.
So, dapat ma-resolve today dahil you cannot afford na ma-extend pa, sir, next year, di ba?
Ay, hindi.
Next
Oh,
week.
hindi. Mahirap na. Hindi na pwede. Dapat ma-resolve today. We are confident that we will be able to finish it. Sa tulong-tulong din namin, hindi lang ng executive, kundi pati ng House of Representatives. No? Pagdating namin doon sa BICAM, para hindi magkaroon ng reenacted budget na hindi namin papayagan sapagkat pinakamahirap, sabi nga nila, the most corrupt budget yung 2025, tapos reenacted. Masamang mangyayari yun, kaya hindi namin papayagan. Huwag naman, lahat ng pwedeng gawin namin para ma-apuro ito, gagawin natin.